What's up, Moon Lords? I'm back with another financial astrology moon phase analysis for AMC that we do each and every week. What's up, Moon Lords? I know for the last waning phase of the moon, that was probably one of the toughest waning phases we ever had. I mean, being up there at 70 and going all the way down to 38 at one point, that was crazy. That was super crazy. But RIP, all the paper hands, because the Moon Lords know what's up. The Moon Lords know that we're in a waning moon, and we're pretty much not going to get a big moon move during a waning. And we actually prefer to get little dips, because that's going to show a nice little reversal for the new moon phase, which is going to lead to the up and coming full moon. Welcome to the Market, Moon Lord, where we merge the matrix with the stars. I'm your host, Jason Alexander, the Blue Moon of Neptune, here to help you navigate through the illusions of life. That being said, now I'm excited. I've been super bored because I already know what was up, all right? But now we're in a waxing phase of the moon, starting on Monday officially. Friday was the new moon, but it didn't happen until 9 p.m., okay? So Monday will be the kickoff to the official phase into the waxing moon, going to the full moon, and that's something we should be excited about. In fact, I'm more excited for this next 2 weeks than I've been on AMC ever, okay? Because now we're in squeeze territory. I mean, we've definitely made that announcement, and this full moon could be the moon that we see new levels at the very least. All right. But yeah, if you guys have made it this far in the video and haven't hit that like, go ahead and hit that like. And if you are a Moon Lord and haven't gotten in our Discord, get into the Market Moon Lord Discord. We're all kind of DD that's going down past what you see on this YouTube channel. And they're all outside the matrix in there. So you need to go in there if you're not, because you're definitely missing out. And if you're new here and haven't subscribed and you like this content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Now we're going to break down what we see for the upcoming week on AMC based upon the moon phases. And like I said, Monday kicks off the official day that we're going to be in a waxing moon. So I'm definitely bullish right off the rip for definitely Monday based upon that. But let's look at the chart. Okay, so if you're new here, the blue background is the waxing moon when the moon is growing. The black background is the waning moon when the moon is basically dying and turning into the new moon again. And we tend to get big moves during the waxing phase, okay? And if you've been with me long enough, you know this one was particularly special because this waxing phase was into an eclipse, which clearly had a lasting effect, which brought us to new levels. And now we're here, okay? And so we just had the full moon, and since that full moon, that waning moon, we've practically been going down. Now, we always make lower or higher lows, okay? And that's the purple lines. But after this big eclipse, I kind of looked at that as like a reset. I didn't mark this line as the low because we went to such a higher level. And I marked the medium range, which was $46. You can see we bounced off that a couple times. And then I made the low based upon this waxing around the $41 mark, and then I also around the $41 mark, right? And you can see exactly what we did on that waning. We went to the first mark that I did and we bounced up, and then we went all the way down to the second mark that I did, and then we bounced up. Okay, so clearly AMC is still following the moon phases, but the true low of this waning would have been way over here, so I didn't count that. So I would say now that we're on this new waning, the new floor would be around the $38 mark based upon the historic movement on the moon phases. And now, since we are about to enter that blue background, the waxing, okay, historically speaking, we're going to start going up, and then on the full moon, which, let's just say full, actually. I'm sorry about that, guys. Hopefully we get new levels, but we'll get to the full moon when we get there. We still have two weeks before that, okay? But what we want to see on this next waxing moon is basically a nice little indication of an uptrend reversal, okay? Or just us consolidating in between this 46 and this $41 mark, or excuse me, in between the 46. We're probably not gonna see the 38, but if we did, I'm going to really jump on that. But we probably won't see a $38 mark until the next waning, if we don't go to a higher level, like past $70 on this full moon. Okay, on this waxing, I definitely expect us to stay probably above this 46 or around this 46, consolidating at the very least, going into the full moon for a nice little pop. Okay, now hopefully we get an uptrend, but anything under 46 to me is a buy, and anything under 41 still is a huge buy, and anything under 38 is a complete steal. Now, looking at the technical analysis here, I did want to bring up the MACD. It does look like we're still going to go down based upon the MACD, but I look at that as more consolidating as long as we stay in that $46 level, and we're pretty neutral on our RSI, so I like that. So that does tell me we still have, enough strength to get a nice pop on Monday and basically turn this MACD around as well. Okay, so I'm actually very excited for this next week and the week after that, because that's going to be the full moon. That's also on a Friday, so that's kind of intense. Okay, because you know what they like to do on Fridays. But I'm more excited now than I ever been on a waxing phase of the moon, because we are on squeeze territory, and this is something to be excited for, because now we are set up for the move. So Moon Lords, do you agree with me? Do you guys have different opinions? Do you guys see DD that matches up with these dates into the full moon? Let me know what you guys think. If you guys made it this far in the video and haven't hit the like button, go ahead and hit the like button. You guys know I'm going to do part 2 of this video, where we're going to break down all the stars and look at the whole picture, not just the moon phases. And if you're new here and haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I want to give congratulations to all the Moon Lords that have stuck this far. Congratulations, because I know last week was crazy. I was getting phone calls from my mom asking me if she should sell her AMC. I was like, no. Okay, so RIP all the paper hands. Okay, seriously, RIP you guys, because we have made it too far to be selling anything around these numbers. Okay, we're going to the moon. Facts. It's all about holding. Okay, it's all about holding. So I'm gonna do that next video soon. This weekend I am going to Florida, and my schedule is going to be a little funky, but I'm going to try my very best to get this video to you guys by tomorrow, but it might have to be Sunday, unfortunately. But I appreciate each and every one of you guys for being here, and let's go. Let's do this. Everyone should be excited. This is a new moon in Cancer. On top of that, AMC's exalted Jupiter is in Cancer, and AMC's moon is in Cancer. Okay, and by the way, this full moon that's happening on July 23rd is in AMC's first house, which is a big deal, because when this whole thing happened, AMC had a lot of stuff in the first house. So I'm very excited. I'm very excited for this next 2 weeks, and I hope you guys are too. I hope you guys are getting that new moon energy like I am. I'm Jason Alexander, the Blue Moon of Neptune, here to help you navigate through the illusions of life. You're watching the Market Moon Lord, where we merge the matrix with the stars. Until next time, peace.
Jason Alexander, the Blue Moon of Neptune.